Attention! YouTube. At best kept secret 510 shushing face zipper mouth face nerd face. Proof that IRS Form W-2, W-4 and 1099s are all estate tax forms. Proof that IRS Form W-2, W-4 and 1099s are all estate tax forms. The Internal Revenue Manual 6209 has proof that Forms W-2, W-4 and 1099s are all estate tax forms. Everybody who works for someone or who receives money is affected by one or more of these three forms. Every employer who fills out a Form W-2 tells the IRS how much they paid an estate during a given tax year. Also, every payer who fills out a Form 1099 tells the IRS how much they paid an estate as well. There is a reason why all these forms are estate tax forms. The next page comes from IRS Manual 6209 and decodes the DLN equals document locator number. Pay attention to the third digit, which is the tax class. 4:1, Section 4, Document Locator Number. 1 DLN Composition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B. Returns and documents are blocked and filed by DLN. The format for a DLN is as follows. The first two digits of DLN, the file location code, service center or district office. The service center codes are used in the DLN except in IDRS and other district-initiated transaction DLNs, where the district office codes are used. During heavy filing periods, DO codes will be also used as the filing location code to handle overflow conditions but will not correspond to the actual filing location. The third digit is the tax class. This identifies the type of tax each transaction in VOLVS. The document locator number (DLN) is a controlled number assigned to every return or document input through the ADP system. The 14th last digit is the year of processing and is assigned by the service center computer at the time of the original input. The DLN is used to control, identify, and locate documents processed in the ADP system. The DLN should not be confused with the tax account number. The tax account consists of 9 digits, for example, Social Security number XXXXXXXXXX IMF, IRF, Employer Identification Number XXXXXXXXX BMF, EPMF. Note: a temporary SSN is sometimes assigned by the service center. The first 3 digits 900,999 indicate the number is temporary. The 4th and 5th digits are the code of the service center assigning the number. The last 4 digits are numbers assigned consecutively beginning with 0001. The printed format is text asterisk. The T indicates a temporary SSN, and the asterisk asterisk indicates the number is invalid. 4:2, 6. 0 Employee Plans Master File EPMF 1 Withholding and Social Security 2 Individual Income Tax, Fiduciary Income Tax, Partnership Return 3 Corporate Income Tax, 990C, 990T, 8038 Series, 8609, 8610 4 Excise Tax 5 Information Return Processing IRP Estate and Gift Tax 6 NMF 7 CT1 8 FUTA 9 Mixed, Segregation by Tax Class Not Required. C. The 4th and 5th digits are the document codes. These are shown in this book in Section 2 by form number. Certain document codes can be applicable to more than one type form or tax. The most frequently encountered are 17 Subsequent Payment Input by Service Center, 18 Subsequent Payment Input by District Office, 47 Examination Adjustment, 51 Prompt Manual Quick Assessment, 52 Account Transfer in, 54 DP Adjustment, 63 Entity Changes, 77 Form 3177. D. The 6th, 7th and 8th digits represent the control Julian date. This date could be the deposit date of remittance received with a return or payment documents. A Sunday date when numbering NR returns that week, a transfer date transfer of credits, or the current date when not otherwise specified. The control date for IDRS and Remittance Processing System (RPS) input transactions is incremented by 400 to avoid duplicate DLNs. Subtract 400 to determine control date, e. The 9th, 10th and 11th digits represents the block number. Complete Informa. TION can be found in IRM 38430 for remittance documents and IRM 310-720 for non-remittance documents for blocking series. See Section 4.10 for Returns Processing Adjustment Blocking Series. F. The 12th and 13th digits are the serial numbers. The maximum number of records within a block is 100 and they are serially numbered from 00 through 99. G. The 14th digit is the last year digit of the year the DLN was assigned. This digit is computer generated. The original DLN of the return is associated with transaction code 150. If there has been a data processing or examination adjustment which created a refiled DLN, a letter X following the DLN will denote that the return is now filed under the refiled DLN. Note: when the blocking series for ELF returns has been depleted, the Julian date may be incremented by 400 to 766. Now you know right from the IRS Manual 6209 that Tax Class 2 is for individual income. Tax and Tax Class 5 is for estate and gift taxes. Next we should refer to IRS Manual 6209 for a chart of IRS forms and the tax classes the forms are used for. Pay close attention to yellow highlight on Form W-2, W-4 and 1099s and you will see that they are all for Tax Class 5 only, estate and gift taxes. IRS 2-1. Section 2. Tax Returns and Forms. 1 List of Returns and Forms. IRM 327-680. Following is a list of tax returns and forms showing file source, tax class, master file tax account codes, and document codes. Non-master file. Please refer to Publication 676 Catalog No. 72060U for a complete list of forms. BBMFEEPMFIIMFNNMFA are off. Form Title File Tax MFT Doc. No Source Class Code Code CP 2000 Proposed Changes to Income or Withholding Tax E23054 CT1 Employers Annual Railroad Retirement and Unum BN 7609 *7111 Employment Return CT2 Employee Representatives Quarterly Railroad N6 *7202 Retirement Tax Return CTR Currency Transaction B515, 16, 89 SS4 Application for Employer Tax Identification Number EB0, 904 SS10 Consent to extend the time to assess employment taxes SS16 Certificate of Election of Coverage under the Federal Insurance Contributions Act TYD14 Taxpayer Delinquency Investigation IB2, 6914 TY15 Unidentified and Excess Collection Voucher 1, 2, 3, 4, 48 5, 6, 7, 8 TY18 Statement of Payment Due 217 TY26 Statement of Tax Due IRS 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 5, 6, 7, 8 TYD 69 Taxpayer Delinquent Account N617, 18 W-2 Wage and Tax Statement 511, 12, 21 W-2C Statement of Corrected Income and Tax Amounts 5 W-2CM Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands 5 Wage and Tax Statement W-2GU Guam Wage and Tax Statement 5 W-2G Statement of Gambling Winnings 532, 88 W-2VI U.S. Virgin Islands Wage and Tax Statement 5 W-3 Transmittal of Income and Tax Statements B-188 Any W-3 PR Transmittal of Income and Tax Statements Puerto Rico W-3C Transmittal of Corrected Income and Tax Statements 2-2. Form No W-3C PR W-3SS W-4 W-4E W-4P W4S, W4V W5 W7 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 W7A, W8 W9, W10 11C, 56 56F. 51-4B, 637,706,706 A706B 76CE 76 GSD 76 GST. Title File Tax MFT Source Class Code Transmittal of Corrected Income and Tax Statements Puerto Rico Transmittal of Wage and Tax Statements B1. Employees Withholding Certificate 5 Exemption from Withholding Allowance Certificate 5 Withholding Certificate for Pension or Annuity Pay 5 meters ENTS Request for Federal Income Tax Withholding from 5 Sick Pay Voluntary Withholding Request 5 Earned Income Credit Advance Payment Cert. Application for IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification I-2 Number Application for IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification 2 Number Magnetic Tape Application for IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification 2 Number Spanish Application for IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification I-2 Number Magnetic Tape Spanish Application for Adoption Taxpayer Identification I-6 Number ATIN Certificate of Foreign Status Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Cert IFICA TE Dependent Care Providers Identification and Cert. Special Tax Return and Application for Registry BN4 *663, *96 WAG-ARIing Notice Concerning Fiduciary Relationship Notice Concerning Fiduciary Relationship Financial Institution Tax Transfer Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Application for Registration United States Estate Tax Return BN5 *652, *53 United States Additional Estate Tax Return N652 *53 Generation Skipping Transfer Tax Return B652 Certificate of Payment of Foreign Death Tax Generation Skipping Transfer Tax Return for Distri B578 Bution Generation Skipping Transfer Tax Return for Termi B577N at EONS 51, 96 94, 98, 92, 96, 59 29, 03, 06 *8 485, Doc. Code 32, 33, 34, 35 42 42. 2-7, Form Title File Tax No Source Class 1041 ES Payment Voucher, Estimated Tax B2 1041 ES Payment Voucher, Estimated Tax, Lockbox Pro B2 CSCing 1041 K1 Beneficiaries Share of Income, Credits, Deductions, 5 etc. 1000 2-8, Form Title File Tax No Source Class 1099 Statement of Receipts of Medical Savings Account 5 MSA 1099 Statement for Recipients of Original Issue Discount 5 OID 1099 Statement for Recipients of Taxable Distributions 5 Patur received from cooperatives 1099'sare Statement for Recipients of Retirement Plans 5 1099's Statement for Recipients of Proceeds from Real 5 Estate Transactions 1116 Computation of Foreign Tax Credit Individual, Fiduciary or Non-Resident Alien Individual 1118 Computation of Foreign Tax Credit Corporations 1120 U.S. Corporation Income Tax Return BN3, *6, 1120 OS. Short Form Corporation Tax Return B31120 SFU, S. Income Tax Return for Designated Settlement B, 3F1DS 1120 FUS. Income Tax Return of Foreign Corporations BN3, *6. 1120 FSCU, S. Income Tax Return of a Foreign Sales Corpora BN3, *6T on PSC only. 1120 HUS Income Tax Return for Homeowner Associations B3. 1120 IC Interest Charge Domestic International Sales Core N6 Disparation Return. 1120 S Shareholders Share of Undistributed Taxable 567 K1 Income, Credits, Deductions, etc. 1120 LU, S. Life Insurance Company Income Tax Return BN3, *6. 1120 ND Return for Nuclear Decommissioning Trusts and BN3, *6 Certain Related Persons. 1120 PCU, S. Property and Casualty Insurance Company B3 Income Tax Return. 1120 U.S. Income Tax Return of Political Organization B3. Poll. 1120 U.S. Income Tax Return for Real Estate Investment B3. Right Trusts. 1120 RICU, S. Income Tax Return for Regulated Investment B3 Companies. 1120 SU-S. Small Business Corporation Income Tax BN3, *6. Return. 1120 W Estimated Tax for Corporation 3. 1120 W Fiscal Year Corporation Estimated Tax 3 FY. MFT Code. 02, *3202, *32. 02, 02, 02, 02, 02, *3. 1, 02, 02. 02, *320202. 02, *3202, *32. 02, *23. 11, *1508, *20. 13, 20, 12, 05, 16, *2, 0, 1010, Doc. Code. 94, 96, 97, 9875, 10, 11, *20, 09, 06, 66, 67 *69, 07, 7169, *20.